Day 17 of this 30-day journey to learn how to get your ex back with manifestation. So you set your intention very clearly yesterday. Awesome comments letting me know exactly what it is that you want. 3 top mistakes people make that are blocking their manifestations when you're setting that intention. Listen up. Number 1, you're jumping too far too soon. You're setting an intention that you do not believe, so you're working against yourself. Number 2, you're not paying attention to the vibration that is being activated with your intention. Babe, we do not manifest what we want, we manifest what we are. We manifest from our state of being. Your vibration, your emotions, your feelings are letting you know what you are an energetic match to. If it's activating a feeling of disappointment, sadness, regret, fear, worry, then it is activating a low level vibration, which is going against